In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change GoDaddy name servers in 2 minutes. If you're moving your website or email to a new host, this quick update tells the internet where your domain's DNS is managed. I'll guide you through the exact clicks and share a few tips so you avoid common pitfalls. Start by signing into your GoDaddy account. For the smoothest experience, do this on a desktop browser. Once you're in, click your profile icon in the top right, then choose My Products. This opens a page listing everything you own in GoDaddy. Find the domains area and click Manage All to open your full domain portfolio. Locate the domain you want to update. On the same row, click DNS or Manage DNS. That takes you to the DNS management page for that domain. Near the top, look for the name server section. You'll see the current name servers listed there. This is where you'll make the switch. Click Change or Change Name Servers. In the options that appear, select I'll use my own name servers. Now paste in the name server values provided by your hosting or DNS provider. Most providers give you at least 2 name servers. Enter them exactly as provided with the correct spelling and order. Avoid extra spaces or punctuation. Even a tiny typo can break resolution. If your provider includes more than 2, add them using the additional fields so everything is consistent. Before you save, a quick but important reminder: changing name servers moves DNS control away from GoDaddy to your new provider. That means the DNS records inside GoDaddy will no longer be used. Make sure your CNAME, MX, and other records are already set up with the new provider so your website and email continue working without interruption. When you're ready, click Save or Save and continue to finalize. You may see a brief confirmation prompt. Approve it to proceed. The change is now submitted. DNS propagation begins right away, but it isn't instant everywhere. Many updates complete within an hour or two, though it can take up to 24-48 hours globally. During this window, some visitors may reach the old server while others hit the new one. That's normal. To check progress, you can use a public DNS checker or try a different network or device. If something doesn't look right, reopen the DNS page to confirm the exact name servers you entered. And that's it. You've successfully changed your GoDaddy name servers and pointed your domain to its new DNS home.